status notification.
Has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 33 in effect until 12 midnight Central Daylight Time for the following counties in the listening area.
Severe thunderstorm watch.
Benton, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. In Oklahoma, Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Choctaw, Haskell, Latimer, LaFleur, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, and Sequoia. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The current time is 5:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Huh.